Cooking with Seagull! Cooking with Seagull! Cooking with Seagull!
What are you gonna be cooking today?
Today I'm gonna be cooking some meatballs!
Yummy!
So first, we got the spaghetti.
Spaghetti. What the fuck?
And then we got the meatballs. Yummy! Tasty. Then we got some spices.
Oh, spicy.
Some spices, yeah.
Oh, they look really spicy.
It'll be pretty good. And then, I forgot what this is. What the fuck?
I got you.
What the fuck is this?
I got you some vegetables. My favorite.
It's moldy! It's moldy! Why is it fucking pink?
I
What
think
the
I farted.
fuck?
I think they were in my butthole for too long.
I am not fucking eating that. Anyway, my favorite part. Let's mix.